Hey guys, in this video we're going through chapter 4 on exponential and logarithmic functions, and we're in section 2 on the graphs of exponential functions. And we're working on number 25, which says graph the function and its reflection about the x-axis on the same axes. And we're given f of x equals -4 times 2 to the x plus 2. So what I'm going to do to graph this is I'm going to make a coordinate table of x's and y's. And we're going to try a couple points. So I'll try with x equals -1, x equals 0, and x equals 1. So when we plug in -1 to x, we get -4 times 2 to the negative first plus 2, or -4 times a half plus 2, which is equal to -4 divided by 2 is -2 plus 2, so we're at 0 at -1. We can map that. When we plug in 0, we get -4 times 2 to the 0 plus 2 equals -4 plus 2 equals -2. So when x is 0, we're at y equals -2. And finally, when we get -4 times 2 to the first plus 2, we get -4 times 2, which is -8, plus 2 is -6. So at 1, we're all the way down here at -6. And just for yucks, we'll go ahead and graph a -2 as well. So we'll get -4 times 2 to the -2 plus 2. So we'll get -4 times a fourth plus 2. And that's going to give us a -1 plus 2, or 1. So at -2, we're at 1. So here is our graph of -4 times 2 to the x plus 2. And here we want it to reflect about the x-axis, which means we're going to flip every one of these points across the x-axis. So here we have the point 0, -2. We're going to flip that to be 0, +2. Here, this point's going to stay the same because it's right on the x-axis, so it's going to remain on the x-axis. This point we're going to take and we're going to flip it all the way on the other side, and we're going to take it up to, so let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6 here, so it's going to be +6 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 1. And this one we're going to flip also across. And then we connect the dots here. And that's going to be our graph. So we've got our f of x equals -4 times 2 to the x plus 2 down here, and this is its reflection about the x-axis. And that's your answer. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts we covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calculus class you take, and the examples I cover are from this textbook right here. And remember, if you're a Baylor student currently enrolled, there is free tutoring on the first floor of Sidrich. You can create a one-on-one appointment online or drop in anytime during our business hours. Please visit our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring, for more details. Sic 'em Bears.